Sticky buffalo chicken is so good, you're gonna have to try this one. And coming in at 500 calories and 40 grams of protein, I could eat this one every day. And trust me, I know this doesn't look low calorie, but it is. I took your guys' advice, I stuck to real butter this time. The buffalo sauce came out really good. I just added a little honey and I cooked it down and it became a sticky buffalo sauce, which was extremely good. And as always, we went with cornflakes in the air fryer. That saved us a ton of calories. This is where I got a little fancy with it. Somebody in the comments mentioned to use yogurt over mayo, so I did. And let me tell you, it saved a bunch of calories and it was wicked good.
That's wicked good.
The full breakdown's in the description. I'll see you on the next one. Lemongrass chicken is so good, you're gonna have to try this one. And coming in at 600 calories and 30 grams of protein, I could eat this one every day. You know, I quit my job in February and I started doing this full time. And let me tell you, it is strange to go to your boss and tell him, I'm quitting to make videos on social media. You wanna talk about an awkward moment. The biggest stress about it though is not knowing if you have a paycheck next month. I've definitely learned to hold myself accountable, but I will say that this was still the best decision I've ever made. And just getting back to the recipe, this chili crunch I made for this is ridiculously good. Like, you gotta try it.
This is hands down my favorite way to cook chicken, and it's many of yours too. Since I first shared this foolproof way to make exceptional chicken over a year ago, it has become a community favorite for good reason. There is not a week that goes by that I don't make my lazy girl chicken thighs, which I coined lazy girl because they are so easy. By looking at it and tasting it, nobody believes it's only 2 ingredients, or if you count salt and pepper, but once again, I petition that those should not be included in ingredient count because they're a given. When a recipe calls for cooked chicken, this is what I'm making. Try it this week and you'll never look back. Cheers.
Garlic butter soy chicken is so good, you're gonna have to try this one. And coming in at 550 calories and 30 grams of protein, I could eat this every day. I kept it super simple in this recipe, just using soy, honey, and garlic. The only major change I did was I used a brown sugar blend over regular brown sugar, and it saved me some calories. Someone gave me some great advice to eat watermelon at nighttime to fight off cravings. Who knew how full watermelon can make you feel? I love all the tips you guys give me. It gives me so much motivation, and I'm always looking forward to the next one. So please give me any tips you got. I read every comment, and I'll see you guys on the next one.
It's almost like falling in love for the first time, all over again. Hold on tight to the feeling, but it's a roller coaster in my head. So